walls, them overshapes, something like the capsule. Fuck her from the back, I grab her throat, she tryna rap. Knew you nigga was different, your man's booking, he ain't got none. LA killer after I pay for the lawyer, I should've stabbed.
Force, God damn, man. Y'all see this? This will go on in Texas, bro. You can't never get no fucking where in Houston, bro. Cause look at this, look at this. What is y'all doing? People got places to be, man. I know y'all Southerners all motherfucking chopped and screwed all the time, but goddamn, I'm not. Nigga, move. Get the fuck out the way. Let me see. Hopefully y'all subscribe and stop watching. And not subscribing, bro. Come on, man. Y'all see me out here trying. Who y'all see give you all this POV like this, man? You ain't never seen nobody give you a POV like this. This is the same view your bitch get. Come on, you gotta subscribe, bro. Get out of here. Y'all. I want to see if y'all can see more like the road. Y'all want to get more on the road, I bet. Let's get more on the road. But here I damn. Slippery ass phone. I should have went the other way. I gotta drive in front of these slow motherfuckers. Okay. Gotta get around that bit. We out of there. Woo! Woo! God dang. I know people like, what the fuck? Oh shit. I like Teslas and electric cars, bro, because it just feel like a roller coaster. You ain't gotta hear no engine. You don't hear nothing. You just get to be gone, bro. But if you can see that, I programmed it to say crazy stuff so that way, if any FBI informants, lame ass, cheese bar, hamster ass niggas ready to go lock somebody up about a speed limit, let y'all know, just a disclaimer that it's coded to pick fake things up. It's always doing 55 miles per hour at all times. Now that that's out the way, let's continue to finish what I was doing. Cutting up. Bro, go! Get out the way! God damn, bro. Fuck we got. Get your ass out of here. Fucking up my shit. We out of here. We out of here. We out of here. We out of there. We out of there. Woo! Shit. What time it is? It's 10:30. Rush hour traffic pretty much dead now, so we get to enjoy this motherfucker. Woo! I'm starting to get the hang of the blinkers on the steering wheel. I ain't gonna lie. This is a good. If it start raining, bust that down real quick. Let me go ahead and get over here. Boom, bust that down real quick. She looking good as fuck in there though. Hold up. Hold up. Bitch looking bad in that motherfucking V6. Yeah, let me hop on side of that. I'm trying to see something, baby. You need to see a bad beach. This one, this this. Alright. I usually don't drive with two hands, but I'm being, more safe for the video, y'all. Ooh, come on, man. Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Just pepper y'all stuff, man. Y'all make my video time longer. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we out of there. We is out of there. And here we go with dry forest. God damn, man. Y'all see this? This will go on in Texas, bro. You can't never get no fucking where in Houston, bro. Because look at this. Look at this. What is y'all doing? People got places to be, man. I know y'all Southerners all motherfucking chopped and screwed all the time, but goddamn, I'm not. Nigga, move. Get the fuck out the way. Anyways, y'all, heading towards downtown. I'm gonna give y'all some downtown POV driving downtown. Now, if I wasn't doing this video, this how I'd be driving them motherfucker. But since I'm a stunt devil and I have to drive safely, I will be using two hands. Make sure you comment how y'all like this POV angle, the baddie angle right here? So you see how I'm driving? This the angle the baddie got when she's sitting passenger side next to me. Feel me? Cruising in a 2024 Tesla. Glorious. She tested out this braking. See how this braking is, man. Yeah. Ooh. Looking good, baby. 3 o'clock in Miami. And we yonder. Yeah, the average traffic, they don't got nothing coming against with the Tesla. It's too slow. The electric too instant. So the average traffic, you don't have to worry about having to hit the gas and be caught up with Grandma Susie and them. You can just hit the gas and get the fuck on, like how I like to do, like this. Just get the fuck on out the way. Just get the fuck on. Yeah. Let me roll the window down and see if we get some type of drone noises. Do they have it? Do Tesla 2024 Tesla have sounds? I don't know. Let's check it out. Oh, green light. That's one thing I do like, the little beep. So if you do be lagging, wake your ass up. Hey, when people lag it too. Y'all might be hearing a little bit of wind noise, but oh well, bro. That's what driving the car come with. Y'all get some Houston, Texas city noise. Now that nigga bike tweaking up. We at a detour. Fuck. We gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Truck in the back, man. Got them smackers outside over here. This must be the hood. Pull up 2020 clear. Pull, slight pull to the red. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, I think I just spun a tire in Tesla. Probably the first nigga ever spin tires in Tesla. No cap. It's enough of these. Whoever cooking around here can't cook. That shit smell like ass. Go pull a Tesla to the gas station. Whew. That initial jolt let you know it got that power in that motherfucker. Damn, I keep on reaching for the stupid ass blinkers and they thing. I think they did that so you have no reason to drive without two hands. Even though you can still drive without two hands, this will become irritating. You think I don't use my blinkers in the BMW? Y'all setting it up for me not use these bitches at all. Not once. Actually, let's get the fuck out of here, bro. Red light or not? Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Still focused on the money. This money cut for cutting. She ain't my bitch, still love me. It been a minute, I still can go down. Post up doing soda. I really need no gun, cause where I'm at, my house can't go down. I'm out in Cali, Houston, Texas, Dallas, ballin' like the man. Bring 100,000 just to throw it out in magic. Cause I can do that too. No, I ain't sure, I'm at sure. They show why you spend money. You act like you don't remember times when I wasn't getting money. Going on, I ain't looking bad. I be living good, God, I barely get mad. For the time I really know what's saying. I'm the one who pick up slack every time. No, I come through every time. Phone come through one time. They gon' act like I ain't did nothing. I'm still taking the burden. I been giving this shit out. You know that ain't worth it. When I'm knowing what you did, you know that shit hurt me. I ain't saying I'm a god. Lord knows I ain't perfect. Nigga, nah, really. You couldn't walk inside my shoe, not for 9 minutes. And for whoever hate me, just tell them nothing see me. Damn, Kyle, you crazy. Same old life, but no bliss.
On the low. What a shit. Swapping murder weapons, this bitch too clean, must be the block gun. You nigga was different, your man's booking, he ain't got none. LA killer after I paid for the lawyer, I should've stabbed. Adderalls, them overshapes, I'm like the capsule. Fuck her from the back, I grab her throat, she tryna rap. Think she had a tampon. I'm the only reason you still alive, you better believe it. I done gave them money, they brought some cars and weed and hammer up. Keep it P, we run our mouth to no block, this shit I'm wrong. Say you ain't the Jakes, but talk to rats all on your platform. I can go money for money with your biggest rapper, we ain't got none. I'm the only thing in the way they try to slide. Niggas with names, he ain't found one. Ask your block who they catch with a name, they ain't found one. Fuck it though, fuck it though. You tryna slide, just slide, that shit don't work. Fuck it though. You say nigga ain't on the nears, I want to grill, I go to Johnny Dad. I ain't drop no tears, I'm so serious, like my mama gave me 100 bands, just falling out every pocket, I need a rubber band. Told Lil Cooter, he better go get up with Mooter, but he ain't understand. Fucking with cause they J Money friends. Going west, we down there caught a flat, we stuck on Hermitage.
Alright, y'all, man. Thank you for being here along in the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, comment and let me know if y'all like this POV right here. Giving y'all the bad bitch view. So, yeah, man, this is the Tesla 2024, and I'm out.